Can you solve the equation 4 plus 8 divided by 2? Did you get the answer 6? Or did you get the answer 8? If we do the addition first, 4 plus 8, and then divide by 2, we would have 12 divided by 2, and that would equal 6. If we do the division first, 4 plus 8 divided by 2, that would be 4 plus 4, and that would equal 8. We have a math pickle. Both answers can't be right. To solve problems like this with more than one operation, mathematicians came up with a rule called the order of operations. The order of operations begins with P for parentheses or brackets, then E for exponents, such as 5 to the second power, which would be the same as saying 5 times 5. Then M for multiplication, or D for division. We do those in the order that whichever comes first from left to right. Then we would look at addition and subtraction and do the operation that comes first from left to right in this case also. This order is sometimes remembered by referring to it by the first letters of each word and calling it PEMDAS. Or some have said, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Now let's practice PEMDAS. Let's look at this equation, 8 plus 7 divided by 3. You can see they've put the 8 plus 7 in parentheses, so we know that from our order of operations, using PEMDAS, that parentheses would be evaluated first. So we will take the 8 plus 7 in the parentheses, and it becomes 15. There are no exponents in our equation. There are no multiplication problems in the equation. There is a division, 15 divided by 3, and that would equal 5. There's no additional addition or subtraction operations. So to evaluate this expression or to solve this equation, we would have 8 plus 7 equals 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Let's practice one more. This equation is 2 times 3 to the second power minus 7. First, let's look at the parentheses. 2 times 3 is in parentheses. We would do that operation first, and it would become 6. Next, we'll look for exponents. We see that 2 times 3 was to the second power, so we will take 6 to the second power, or 6 times 6, and that will equal 36. There are no multiplication or division operations. There's no addition operation. So we'll look at the subtraction operation last. 36 minus 7, our final answer would be 29. So, can you solve the equation? 4 plus 8 divided by 2? If we put the parentheses, yes, you can.